Hello guys! Today I am doing my output in science and how I quench my thirst. And this is from Dave, Vincent, Agnes, and this is to Mom, Carmen, Melgar. So let's start. And first thing first is our ingredients. The cocoa powder, the hot and the tap water, condensed milk, and the last but not the least is our cold ice. And our first procedure is we will pour our cocoa powder into the mug. And this is the last cocoa powder. And there we go. And the second procedure is we will pour the hot water into the mug.
Nalagay ka password, ma. Nalagay ka password, ma.
Okay. And let's mix it thoroughly. And looks like the solute is not dissolving so much because the solute is much minier than our solvent. And after we mix it thoroughly, guys, is we will pour the cocoa powder into the bigger jar. And our next procedure is we will pour the tap water into the bigger jar. Okay. And after that is we'll pour the condensed milk to the bigger jar. And stop because it's so sweet. Oh. After we pour the condensed milk, guys, is we will put this. We will first is stir. And after that is we will put our cold ice in the bigger jar. Gloves in, plastic gloves, and let's grab cold ice. Let's put it on the big jar. Oh, this is too big. Some smaller ones. Put more ice in it, it's more colder. So done. And after that is we will mix it again. Done. And our next and our last but not the least is we will pour this cocoa drink into this glass. And last procedure is taste. And it is so delicious. This is the end of our how I quench my thirst, guys, of output in science. So this is Vincent, Agnes. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.